Good morning. This is Dr. Vaishali Vangikar. Today I am going to teach you a very important AI tool which is helping you to make infographics in your presentations. It is a very nice tool. Everyone can make use of it for their own domain. So the name of the tool is Napkin.ai. I'm just showing you that how to go ahead with it and how to from the simple steps of getting logged into it. I'm showing you how to go ahead with it. So this is not napkin.ai. You can see this, search on it, then click on it and go over there, and then you can have a sign in or get napkin free. This is a free tool actually. You can go ahead with it, and then as I have already have a login into it, it is showing me logged as it is free pro beta plan. So I'm just using the beta plan only, and you all can have that only. I'm just showing you that how to get into it. So I just logged out of my Google email and I'm just finding out how to go ahead with it. So it gives you an option of getting logged into it with your email ID. So I'm having these many email IDs. I'm going to go ahead with this one, and it gets configured with me. Before, as I have already done it, it asks me for what reason you are going to use it, who are you, from which industry you are from, like that questions it asks, and then it gives you the entire software online. Now just see that how it is. It is a new napkin, and you can see that how it makes. There is a text over there recognizing top performers on your team, and there is a process of doing that, and it makes a visual formats of your text over here. So here you are having a visual format and you can do that. So I'll just show you how I have done it for my domain. So we are from educational industry, and we need to find out our students whether they are slow learners or advanced learners, like that, and then we have to make some infographics on it. So see that this is a typical method of identification of slow and advanced learner, and all the points are given over here. And now this has made this diagram for me. This is identification of and support for the learners in engineering college, and then what is to be done, what are the different techniques we do to make them differentiate between slow and advanced learner, like that. And then this diagram is generated by this napkin. So this is a infographic which is generated. Now suppose from this entire text, if I want to do only for initial assessment, so I can just go ahead, see that this has been selected, and I'm just making here, and it is generating a new infographics for me for this initial assessment. And you can see there are many options coming over here. So this is one of the types, then this is another type, then this is another type, like that. You may have many options given by this. You may choose any one of it and then go ahead with it. Suppose I like this, so I'm just doing this, and then I'm selecting this. Once I have this, I can download this. If you click on it, you can see this. You can click on it and you can download this. You can just make the customizations into it. You can just change the font sizes, colors also. So if I want to change the color, or I want to make a different impact on my given diagram also, that also we can do. And this way I can add over here, and then I can download this. I can download this into PNG file, or you can download it into your PDF formats also. This diagram I can make use in my presentations also. So this is a fantastic method. Now if I want to go for intervention for slow learners, now I'm going over here, and now here also you can see that I can have a diagram made for this, or the infographics made for this. So simply this is the way how you can use this napkin tool to make the visual presentations from your text. This is a tool which helps you to do the texting into methods, you may have your own text and embed it into it, or it will help you to do it through the AI. Now this is the method which I have used. Now I'll show you that. Suppose you want to take help of AI to generate it. So there are two options over here. If I click on new napkin, so it will help me to do this. Say here it is a blank napkin and draft with AI. So if I click it on draft with AI, and if I say suppose method for drafting a effect and effective research proposal for DST in India, and I have just given this. Now just see that it is now writing for me. I did not even have to write the text for it, and it is writing for me, and it is giving me the method of drafting the research proposal. So I'm not going to bother about whether it is given me a correct one or not, but I'm just showing you that this is the way how it creates for me. Now once it has created this for me, now I may generate the entire diagram for this. So see that once I have done this, so you can see, for example, here we are having different methods to do this. This is a method. So if I'm writing this method, so you can have even embed few things over here. Now this is like for entire documentation, generate visuals, and then it will generate visuals for the entire documentation. And see that how it is doing. So components of effective DST, and then ensuring proposal, strategies to enhance key elements, and then you can have various different methods to whether various different graphs to show this. This is the way how you can do. Now for example, I want to do it for the entire structuring of the proposal, and then I'm just making a diagram for this. That is also possible with it. So how you can make use of it, it is up to you. So for example, if I have done this, now I want it to be done for the entire text, and then I'm just selecting the entire text and then generating it. So it will generate a diagram which will be having the proper, yes, so creating a winning research proposal. So you can see that clarity and impact and all this is given over here with different methods. So see that how it has done. Now if I take this also, and if I want to change it, so there are many different sparks also, spark searches available over here. You can make changes into this diagram also. So how effective and customizable this tool is. If you are if you are okay with the diagram which is given by the tool, you can go ahead with it. If you want to make changes into it, that also you can do with the help of this tool. So I'm just showing you a few things over here. For example, I want to make any changes over here, I can go ahead with it and just find out. So suppose draft title, so I'm just writing draft, and then so draft title, so I'm just writing down this, and if I'm getting this, and I can replace it with the another one. So you can just see the draft titles, and you can see the arrangements over here. You can get any of these images embedded over. Suppose I have embedded this, I click on it and I can change this over here. Now this is there, then I can make changes to this with different colors. So I may use this, and then there are many options like this. You may change the text like this. So suppose I want this, and I want this title, draft title, to be replaced with this, then I can do that. So this is so customizable. I like the I like this because it is very much customizable. So this way you can make changes into it. So this way you can make use of this tool. And just a minute. Okay, so this way you can make use of this tool. I can even show you some other labels. You may change the labels. You can type something and you can write down some labels over here. So this is suppose demo. I'm typing it over here. This is demo typing, so you can just do that. You can add something over there, you can sketch something, you can put some images, you can use your own styles. So this is all possible over here. And with this thing, like, you can change the color of this. Suppose I want to do like this, and then I want to add a few more custom colors also, I can do. Then I can export it over here, and I can export it into PNG format or SVG format or PDF format. So if I want to add it over here, I can use it. I can just make use of background and light mode or whatever it is. Like, there are many options over here. You can see this, and you can download this image, and then you can make use of this image for the further documentation. So I just wanted to give an overview of this tool. You can go in the deep dive of this tool as per your needs and do this. So I have shown you the entire documentation. I have shown one presentation where I made use of my own text to identify it, and then I have generated the infographics for that. And I have shown you the another one where we have generated the new napkin by AI generated text, and then we have gone with the different methods of generating infographics for this. So this is what I wanted to tell you. Hope everybody would make use of this tool to make your presentations, to make your documentation more visible, more artistic, more infographically enabled, and you can do it in a quick time. So this is what I wanted to tell you. Thank you so much.